Hello everyone. Glowing star, are you dreaming of studying abroad on a fully funded scholarship? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the amazing Hungaricum Scholarship Program 2025, a life-changing opportunity to pursue higher education in Hungary. Let's dive right in. 1. What is the Hungaricum Scholarship? The Hungaricum Scholarship Program is a fully funded opportunity offered by the Hungarian government. It allows international students from all over the world to study for bachelor's, master's, one-tier master's, PhD, and non-degree programs at top Hungarian universities. This scholarship covers checkmark tuition fees 100% free, checkmark monthly stipend, enough to cover your living expenses, checkmark accommodation allowance, or an additional contribution to your housing, checkmark health insurance, complete medical coverage during your studies. 2. Why study in Hungary? Hungary is not only affordable but also home to high-quality education. With its rich history, cultural diversity, and globally recognized degrees, Hungary is the perfect place to pursue your academic dreams. Imagine exploring beautiful cities like Budapest while getting a world-class education. Sounds amazing, right? 3. Who can apply? This scholarship is open to students from partner countries listed on the official website. It is available for a wide range of programs, including 1. Science and engineering, 2. Social sciences, 3. Arts and humanities, 4. Health sciences. To be eligible, you must 1. Have completed the required prior education level, e.g., high school for bachelor's, bachelor's for master's, etc. 2. Meet the English proficiency requirements or the language of instruction. 3. Be nominated by your home country's sending partner or authority. 4. How to apply. Let's break it down step by step. Keycap 1. Check eligibility. Visit the official Hungaricum Scholarship website to see if your country and program are eligible. Keycap 2. Choose a program. Select your desired program and university from the available list. Keycap 3. Prepare documents. You'll need 1. A valid passport, 2. Certificates and transcripts, 3. Motivation letter, 4. Research plan. For PhD applicants, Keycap 4. Apply online. Submit your application through the official Hungaricum Scholarship portal. The deadline is usually in mid-January 2025, so don't wait too long. 5. Important tips for a successful application. 1. Write a compelling motivation letter explaining why you're the perfect candidate. 2. Double-check all your documents for accuracy and completeness. 3. Follow the instructions provided by both the scholarship portal and your sending authority. 6. Additional benefits. As a scholarship holder, you'll not only receive financial support but also get the chance to experience Hungary's vibrant student life. You'll build a global network, gain cultural exposure, and enjoy opportunities to travel within Europe. 7. Final words. So, what are you waiting for? If you've been dreaming of studying abroad, the Hungaricum Scholarship Program 2025 could be your ticket to a brighter future. Start your application today, and who knows, Hungary might just become your second home. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to me. You can contact me on WhatsApp or follow my Scholarship Alerts channel for the latest updates.